Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be a how-to repair video on a Gallagher fault finder or Gallagher Smartfix. It's the same thing, just different name. But there's a little bit about us, our websites, and what we do. We work on electric fence boxes of all brands and ages, 18-month warranties, free quotes. But if you need something worked on, you're welcome to send it here to us. More about us is on our website, fencerfixer.com. Alright, so see what's wrong with it? Yep. It's supposed to be kind of a silvery looking like that is out there. This is an LCD. And if it got probably not dropped, probably stepped on or something like that. So we need to take it apart and fix it. So now the good thing about this is an easy fix. It'll take us like 10 minutes to do this at most. Probably more me talking than anything. Now the good thing about Gallagher's over any other brand, if this has been a Speed Ride or a Power Wizard or whatever other brands out there, if this ever happens, they don't offer parts. You got to throw away and buy a new one. Gallagher, this can be fixed. So that's the benefit of buying a Gallagher one over other brands of testers, is they offer parts. So we need to pop these little caps out of here. Sometimes they pop right out. Sometimes you gotta melt a hole in them with the soldering iron, and then clean the iron off real quick so it doesn't start stinking like burnt plastic and then mess the tip up. And then you get a small flat screwdriver in a little hole here and pop it out. All right, some of these have Phillips. Some of them have these stupid Robertson square bits in there. This one's got the stupid Robertson square bit, so we need the right tool. Pull those screws out. The later, this is a 2014 tester. See the serial number. First two digits, the year it was built. So the later versions, I know 2018, 2017, whatever it was, they stopped putting these little caps in there, these little dust caps. They just hide the screws, don't really do anything other than that. We'll put the back cover off. Pull this little rubbery gasket thing, and the board comes out with it, and you can separate the board from all that stuff. So there's what happened. You see the LCD is crushed and cracked and shot. Yeah, it's original one to it 14, so it's original to it. It's never been worked on. So now what we're going to do, install a new board. Because you can't get just the LCDs for it. So we're going to install a brand new board, and basically the unit's going to be brand new on the inside. That's what it's supposed to look like. With a little film on there, we got to peel the film off there. That's what it's supposed to look like, a regular LCD, and not like that. So alright, so let's just looking at, see, I haven't done too many repairs on these things to the board level, but you can see they've got some extra stuff on this board that the old board doesn't have. This has got this stuff up here, but I imagine, see, and this board doesn't have it along here, but see, this board's got it all along here. So it's got some stuff down here. This board didn't have any of that. And it's got some chips and things under there. So does that. So we're gonna just, we need to pull the battery out of this one. Make sure if the battery's good, we'll reuse it. If it's bad, we'll replace it. And see, there's a sticker on that one. See, it's even got a different kind of sticker. It's a 2020 board. So this is, the boards don't go bad that often, so you know this board must have sat around for a while. So, but it doesn't matter; they're all the same. I need to check this battery. It's a 3-volt like watch battery or the batteries. It's a CR2032 is a part number on the battery. You go to an auto parts store, you can pick up the CR2032 batteries for about $3-4. But we're going to test the battery and see what it reads. It's supposed to be 3 volts, so we'll put the positive on top, negative on the bottom. 3 volts, the battery's good. I think fully charged or fully good, it's the 3.2. So it's lost a little bit, but we're not going to worry about that. Alright, so we're going to take this flat screwdriver. Need to do a reset on it as you put the new board in, or new battery in. You go at the back edge of the board, or back edge of the battery holder, this little silver piece. There's an opening right here, and there's a metal plate on the bottom where this battery makes contact with this and the bottom plate there. And you go at the back edge there, kind of go to like a 90-degree angle. Put the battery in. Make sure you're still touching those 2 spots. 45-degree maybe is what I should have said. And then come in contact with the screwdriver or pocket knife or whatever you're using, something small and metal. You push all the way in, should push the battery out, should automatically come back on like that. There it is. So now it's working. Oh, it says the battery's a little low. Maybe I ought to put another battery in there. It had the battery symbol on there for a second. Well, fine, we'll put another battery in there. Maybe it thinks 3 volts on the battery is not good enough. Let me go grab another new battery. Just test this battery to see how much different it reads than the other one. 3.3, so it is a little bit higher. Okay. Same test, same things, or same procedure. Leave it on it for a few seconds. See, the battery symbol went away, so that's good. And should it go off here in a second? There it is. Alright, so now we're going to put this back in here. Got these little things here. And these little, but you can see it has like uppers and lower thing. The board kind of snaps in, between them. And I put this one on this side. Put this one up here. And then this one at the bottom. There's an upper and a lower piece of plastic on, a rubbery thing on there. Let's see, we'll put this in first. Put the front in there first. Make sure to pull out this little thing so it doesn't get stuck inside. Push the button, make sure the little things come up. There's that, so working fine now. So we'll take these screws and put them back in there. I don't know if I'm put the probably gonna. Well, I'll put the dust caps back on there just because they're here. I'll put them in there. If not, I'm just gonna throw them away. They're not of really of any importance. Don't over tighten them, just make them snug. Don't crank them on there. You don't want to strip out the plastic. Good to go. Went from this to this. Alright, well, so that's it for that, so you can get parts for these. You can get batteries, pretty cheap. Buy them at the auto parts store for about $3, $4. Buy them at Walmart, any place you want to buy them. It's CR 2032, or if you look at the packaging, you might just say 2032. This one has it's 2030 CR 2032, but it may just be 2032. But either way, it's the same thing. Because they make different size 3-volt batteries that are thinner and thicker, and 2032 is the right thickness, and it goes right in there like it's supposed to. Alright, until next time, we'll see you later.